Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these KitchenAid kitchen scissors, utility shears, and these iBayam kitchen scissors. So both of them feel really good. You can turn them upside down, use them either way. Both of them are permanently attached, looks like. You cannot take them apart. Now the iBayam does come in a 2-pack. You do get this sheath to protect it when you're done. Both of them are dishwasher safe. Now the cutting edge on them I think is about the same. Let's try. Yeah, this is the KitchenAid. So it cuts really good. Now let's try the iBayam. Yeah, it cuts good. KitchenAid might cut a little bit better. Maybe. You know, overall length, looks like they're about the same. 8 3/4 almost. Yeah, these look very, very similar. KitchenAid might be just a little bit thinner through here, but not too much. But then again, this you get a 2-pack over here. Whoops. You get a 2-pack, and the iBayam comes with the sheath guards. So both dishwasher safe. I hope this video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.